is Will's new battery. Guys, it's mega gloomy today, but Sam and I are heading over to Will's to put a new battery in his Ultra B. He's actually bought a new upgraded battery pack, and then we're going to be heading out on the trails after we've installed them and seeing how the battery does. This is more of like a behind the scenes video. So as you can see, I've got the EMX Q-Technic fast ace forks on. So far I'm really impressed, but yeah, we'll see how they handle the trails once this bad boy is charged up. What we got there? 69%. Well, that's convenient.
Nearly at Will's house now.
Face revealed.
Fuck!
So Will's gone and bought himself a Project Surron, but what did you pay for it?
I can't say, they've got to guess. If you guess in the comments and you get it right, then I'll give you a free sprocket.
And how much are you going to be selling it for?
I'm going to be selling it for around $2,000.
Okay,
possibly 1.95.
So with that in mind, guess in the comments how much he bought for this. So Will's got a new little setup going in the garage. Look at that, looking proper. Bin for all the trash. So Will, get in. He's got his tool drawers with one tool in it.
Get in there. Get all the kids in there.
Oh my god, you could fit so many children in there. So this is Will's new battery. Do you want to talk us through the stats?
Yeah, sure. So this is the VTB Ultra B battery. It uses 50S cells. It outputs a total of 45 kilowatts. It's got a nice screen on it. New connector. It utilises the stock Ultra B charger and also the VTB fast 50 amp charger.
We spin it around. Under this port here is a XT90, so let me get this focused.
It's also got an air switch, which acts as a breaker, which is nice.
Because the stock Ultra B doesn't have a breaker.
Yeah, true.
So this is a big upgrade.
Good safety point. And what I like about it is that it actually fits in the stock battery compartment while having an extended range of 72 volts, 65 amp hours.
But what you might not know is that on the standard battery, even though it's a 74 volt, 55 amp hour, you don't actually get to use all that because you've got a low voltage cutoff, which is much higher. So although this is only in theory 10 amp hours more range and capacity than the original battery that was in this, you're actually going to get about 45% to 50% more range while having way more power. It's the same weight, same size, same charger, and then you have the option to use the extra fast charger if you want. So it's just a brilliant all-round package. I'm not going to face reveal him because I'm not wearing a helmet, but...
And then also you can use it on the stock controller and then upgrade when needed.
Yeah, so you can pretty much, this is probably one of the most versatile batteries on the market. Size, weight, just a nice upgrade. I think on the front of it here there's some statistics. There we go, look. Charge volt, storage level, weight, pack density, blah 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 blah. Have a cheeky little drink before we start. Oh, you've literally face revealed yourself on my channel.
You posted a video of you unboxing Ultra B on your video.
Bro, you're always looking beautiful.
Bro, I swear to God, you better not put me in this fucking milk.
Alright, let's get this shit.
It's been a long time and I miss this feeling. It feels like freedom, it feels like healing. Floating up the floor, past the ceiling. The wind in my hair, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel as I'm taking flight. Man, I'm feeling like myself again. Hey, man, I'm feeling like myself again. It's been a long time and I miss this feeling. It feels like freedom, it feels like healing. Floating off the floor, past the ceiling.
So the new one is on the right and the old one is on the left. Different plugs here. You got the right, this is the Ventus plug, and that's the original. So right now we have it on the VTB fast charger, which is mine. So, hang on, let me get focused. There you go. That's currently charging at 30 amps on this battery, but this will actually charge up to 50 amps. So technically this can charge in an hour and 10 minutes. She's in. Lid fits really nice and snug. It's not going to rattle at all. So yeah, now it's time to hit the trails and see how she performs. We're just going to tune it up. Still on the standard motor. So for now, I think 35 kilowatts max power in mode 3, 20 in mode 2 and 14 in mode 1. So we'll get on with that now. He's gone up there through the top. I don't think he's going to blast it down here though, so I'll go up a bit higher. What's it like?
It's rapid.
Much better?
So much faster.
Alright, shall we gear up and go out on the trails? Yeah. Alright.
The helmet looks hard.
He's all excited, but the wheel system's still in back. Buddy! Why is it so smoggy?
Yeah, look all the chemtrails, bro. This is what I'm talking about.
Looks like we're in downtown LA. Coming past you on your right. We got to turn here, Will. Yeah, my forks don't even bottom out. So we're going to do that one and this one. And then just down the hill. The other two, this one's tiny. Yeah. Cold. Let's go. On then, Shen. Is that one of them guys you see it wheeling through on the BMX for people? Alright, now we've got a Light B, 2 modded Ultras, and Big DC on the 450. That one would be a good one to go fast along because it's flat and it's smooth.
One down there.
Yeah. Will! Will! We can cross there! That looks tasty, I want to eat that. Wait, do it from a roll. Go from like 20 mile an hour. I've only got half charge. This is not going past 80 mile an hour right now, because it's basically dead.
Yeah, it might be because of the conditions. Right?
Is it in gear? Yeah.
Is this top mode?
Yeah. It's a bit slow at the minute. Like honestly, you'll feel it. It gets to like 70 and then it just dies.
Get it running.
Where's the start motor? The fucking bridge the whole time.
That's why I came.
So we had no luck finding the phone. This is almost dead. This is almost dead.
Tired, isn't it?
Yeah. Sam's recharged, so he's on 100, but we've got to ride back to Wheels, then back to our house anyway. So yeah, that would be the end of today's vlog. We're all going out. But what do you think? Ventus battery, buy it. Is it a hit or a miss?
It's a hit.
It's a hit.
More range, more power. Can't complain.
And it's almost half the price of that one.
Is it?
Yeah. Well, these are retailing at £4,000.
Yeah. And that fits in the lid as well. So.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to head back now and I'll outro the video when we get back. Oh my god, I've got the flattest tyre. Wait, let me... Do you have an 18-inch tube?
No.
You don't even have one?
Why would I have one?
Because you sell wheels? And you bought loads of inner tubes?
I didn't buy it, I just bought 1916.
Right, so I'm going to have to leave this at your house. So I'm actually limping home now with a completely flat tyre. I think I finally span the tyre on the rim, even though I've got a rim lock, so we're wobbling back. Hopefully it doesn't destroy the tyre completely. So I wanna...
Where's this plug into?
Oh, 16, I might need like 2 of these.
2 of them together.